Hello, everyone. My name is Amber Daniels. Currently, I live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I've lived here all my life. Currently, I'm an investigation worker with the Department of Human Services. I complete assessments of abuse and neglect on families, so I work directly with children and families, try to connect them with resources, sometimes removing them from homes if needed. I have about 10 years in the field working as an investigation worker, but I've also worked as a school worker and I've also worked through the Teen Elect program. I wanted to pursue this MSW degree because I'm interested in furthering, my knowledge, gaining more knowledge to be able to help my families to succeed and try to, provide them with different resources. I also, wish to pursue further supervisory role within my current employer. So, that's why I'm in this MSW program, and I look forward to working with you all this year.